could have had it. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it. You played it. You played it. Yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Labo palakpakan dyan! There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching my fever pitch, it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me, and I'll lay your shit bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching my fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. Oh, you have my heart inside of your head, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside of your head, and you played it to the beat. Check this out, mga kilabing na malulupitan ng petong pilit kong kinansa. Dala ko ng mga nagkada, mga puntahan na ating matatagin sa mga pamalain kong simundayo. Para sa kanta kong pihilot, binabalik ang katong galingon ay kututuloy mo. Nenentigil mo na, pinakamalaking pagkakasali na ako'y binagat. Abang ko nga talata, sunod bitawan ko yung lirik ko. Hindi mo naman kakayanan to, pinapatok ka ng pagkasalita para hindi ka na makagalaw katakatakan na lang mga sa pinakamalapit ng... Ladies and gentlemen! Oh, you're so through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into just your gold. And pay me back in kind and live just what you saw. Oh, we could have had it all. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it, you played it, you played it. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside of your hand, and you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat.
Paano ulit? Di ba? Palamakalap natin, Raya Ash! Grabe ka pala, no? Pag wala yung Raya. Okay, magsosolo ka na next. Joke lang. Ay, Raya Ash! Ash, isang malakas na hi! Hello naman sa Galleria South!
Hello, South Galleria South! Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Ulit.
Mali ba?
South Galleria South.
Sorry, mali.
Galleria South. Yeah.
Hello, Galleria South!
Hindi ba kami sasayaw? Grabe, Ash! It's been a while, of course, na makasama ka sa mga Viva One Mall shows. Ngayon naman, kasama ka namin as Ash Jewel, which is si Claire Kahir, di ba? Napakataray ni Ash doon. Tama?